A Tesla Cybertruck ended up stuck in a flowing river in Azusa Canyon, California. This is only the latest example of a Cybertruck owner overestimating their and the truck's abilities. The flowing river with somewhat steep banks on each side, and somehow a Cybertruck owner ended up between them. The truck is seen struggling to escape from the water. Despite gaining what appears to be significant momentum, the truck can't get a solid enough grip to escape going forward. The driver then attempts to reverse their way out of trouble with even less success. Then, they slam it back into drive, trudge through the water, and end up making about as much progress as they did in the first attempt. The truck ultimately gave up trying to free itself and awaited help. That help came in the form of a Chevrolet Silverado. It's possible that just a few feet downstream, an easier exit could have been had.